buzzer?
Everybody get 2 seconds.
Okay.
Alright. So now we have to figure out how to set it up. Do you guys know how? 'Cause I
Yes.
Yeah.
Can we move all this off the table?
Just what is all this?
I don't know.
Whose computer does it say it is?
Dylan Jackson. Should we take it to the office?
No. Yes.
Yes?
How come?
Maybe.
I'm gonna take it to the office.
Yeah. Is the other stuff his? What is it?
I don't know.
It's probably a teacher's because it's Power School stuff. So,
I think it's just, I think they printed off his grades or something.
okay, do you have a pencil that's
Yeah.
not one of these ones?
That's not why.
One of those ones. I don't know how you do this. Toss up bonus.
No, do we have extra pencils?
Oh, so you circle if they get the toss up, you circle if they get the bonus, and you do the
We
running
don't
total.
have extra pencils?
No. Just go grab a pencil.
I'll go get some from this room.
Yeah, we might want some
Like,
extra
in
if
case
someone's
their
leg
leg
breaks. Yeah.
Yeah. I think my shoulder is irritated. Is it like red? Something's irritating.
I put a pimple patch on my one.
Oh wow. Is it working?
Is there a
Let me see.
pencil sharpener in here?
Probably not.
Let me see if it's working. His idea. How about should the
I
intercities
thought
get better
I
internet
had
and more
13.
service?
I had 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10,
Did it get
12.
put in a cup over here maybe?
Yeah, you could throw or sharpen. Yeah, sharpen a couple of those and
There's
have
no
them.
sharpener in
I tried to put 13 on every table. But hey, here we go. Stuart's here.
Okay, well now we set up.
We don't have.
I don't know. It's okay. Hopefully no one's pencil breaks.
Here, I'm gonna run to the library.
Here, do this one. And then we have, well, that one has a battery, so just do that one so we have an extra pencil.
Do you have a pencil now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna throw these on the floor.
Where are the other?
To your left. Towards you.
So, see the numbers that they've got on here? So, put the green ones on one side, the orange, or red ones on the other side, okay?
Ours are always just
I'll
connected.
take the other one.
You have to connect yours together?
Yep. This is a little bit different set, but not too bad.
I caused a domino effect in
Uh-oh.
the room.
Uh-oh.
I bumped the
Yeah,
cord,
she-
they all fell down.
Oh, no.
Literally every single one.
Okay, this can get plugged in. I have a bunch of big boxes right here.
Wait, so all
Any of
these
those.
cords go into this one?
All those cords go into that one, yep. You're right.
Oh, they just have a little tap thing. I never liked
It's on, right?
And if that one can get plugged in too, that would be great.
This one will go to, this one will go to the far side of that. Oh, is that the timer?
Yes, this is the timer, so it counts down from 15. And when it's going, this light pulses.
Okay.
I will double check and make sure everything's working right.
You have to check our buttons?
Well, once we're done, we'll go.
Yeah.
That's a lot of words.
Did you actually send me the rules?
Okay, so then whoever's running the timer, it is resets here, goes here, and you can see how it starts flashing that it's going. When they buzz in, it'll stop it, and then just reset again and go. And it's set on 15 seconds, so,
You say time's up and you say if you call people, if the time runs out.
okay, are you guys good?
Yeah.
Okay,
Does
I'm
it
gonna go
make
check
a-
on the other room.
Does it like buzz or something?
It'll
if
buzz,
the
yep.
time runs out?
Yep, it'll buzz when the time runs out.
I just been going second, like one on top of the other, so like we're, I don't know. I just honestly,
Wait, do we have a 5? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Sorry that I put the logo on the side, I guess.
it's fine, it's fine. I was just saying, I just put it farther than.
Yeah.
And we have to pick 2 healthy foods
To
make. Yeah.
Okay,
What would you guys be?
so that's
Okay.
all we have to pick right now is
Yeah.
2 healthy foods. Who else is in our group, just so?
Just us 3.
Just us, oh, that's not bad. I'm good with that, you guys said, do you have any ideas? Okay.
I was worried, like,
Okay, I'm okay with this group now, okay, I'll win. Okay, let me think. Did she give any specifications besides healthy food?
Not really. Just what we've been learning, basically.
Okay. So if we give you ideas, then you're gonna, I'm guessing you're trying recipes right now?
Yes.
So you can do that for us, okay. I think we should do, I feel like doing a soup would be fun. I like doing
soup?
soup, yeah. I feel like we should do a soup just because. And, I'm a very picky eater, so it's like, it's okay. Do we have
And she did say that it doesn't have to be like all healthy.
Yeah.
Like fruit salad or the vegetables.
I think I want to learn how to make chicken salads. Like,
Nope.
Nope.
we
You
got it.
you know what chicken salad is?
Mhm.
Okay. Are you okay with those 2 ideas?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright,
Perfect.
I'll look for recipes.
Alright.
Okay. If you need any opinions, just email us and we'll email you back. 'Cause we're
Right.
about to begin. So.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Pat?
Yep.
No, like, do we have
Do
another
you have your
card?
papers?
Oh.
Room's okay?
Like, we need one more. Did you get that one?
Okay, I will put this.
Stop, we need another cord.
You need another cord?
Short one, buzzer cord.
Okay. Right? I wonder where it ended up. That does not have to.
We just need one for a buzzer cord.
One for buzzer, one. We don't have any extras. Okay, let me go check that other
Do
bag.
you need to see the questions to kind of like Okay. I didn't see anything that's like super hard to say, but there are a few that I
put them on the
I
left
feel like
side.
there's 1 or 2 I couldn't say, but I can. Cause I kind of forgot that was in our
I'm
first.
just kind of leave my computer there.
Is it?
Oh, what? That works.
Okay. Do you want to clear them so we can test all of them?
Sure.
Well,
Just hit the reset button on
Okay.
front of it.
Or on this.
oh, that works too? Okay.
That's it, you just said on the 30.
Okay, you did.
It's on top, on the big box.
Yeah, you have to use this one too, yeah, so you might want to scoot over. No. Use this one.
What is that?
I reset it.
Okay.
Alright, that one works.
Okay. You do all the green one?
Works.
No cord?
Yep, need it. Perfect. Fine, then you flung it too.
This is for the timer though, so if you click reset, it's gonna. No work. No work. No, no. It's 15 now.
My binder or my water? Okay, everybody else is sitting in that other
You
room.
only use the go and pause, and reset is to reset it after it stops. Like if they buzz in.
Here, so just stick this over here.
Blue or green? Blue or green?
It's like also. I think it's Savante. Is it no? Okay, let me just. See, I'm just.
Can you untangle number 2 there? It's kind of,
Yeah.
it's annoying.
If I see a word in a question and I need clarification, I'll just ask that. But I think most of them are with Aussie. There was like a country that I couldn't say. I have to cross this off because this is a bonus question, but he has it with the answer, and it's no. He just here's my bonus. No, look at what he did. This is the answer to this question, and then this is the bonus for this question. But he, yeah. So I
Make
made
sure you say what number Toss Up.
okay.
So did he just put extra?
No, I already checked, and I kind of like, but that was one of the things that I needed to check.
Did you tell the others?
He sent a whole email about it. There's a song that I'm gonna have to try not to sing.
I know.
Wait, let me see.
No, it's not on that page. You're just gonna have to listen to questions, Jen. Fine. Actually, I don't know if there was a country, but. Okay, how would you say this name? Saker? Saker. Probably Saker.
Are we gonna be closing doors?
Yes.
We will, but not right now.
I have computer.
Write it down so I can still see the numbers.
There's a few that he like literally missed letters on, so I have to remember to add the letters. There's a few he missed letters on, but I can tell what they say as I'm reading. So I didn't write them in because I didn't want to get my pencil out.
And it says paper, pencil, and paper.
Yes. If it doesn't say paper pencil, it says mental math.
Yeah. So if you notice someone going for paper and pencil on a mental math,
I'll make sure to emphasize mental math. There you go.
does number 3, is there a pencil?
Right there.
Oh, there's one on the end, and then
Yeah.
number 1 is covered by the
Here's our warm up and here's our extras. My warm up questions will go on the ground when I'm done. Are you guys ready? Can I show you which ones I want to do?
I don't know where he's
I'm
at.
gonna show you which ones I want to do for warm up.
Stuart is.
Just want them to be straight, and they're like,
How, do we want to do 3 or 4? Okay, I'm gonna do 2, 4, 5, and 8.
wait, how many questions do you do?
These are our warm up questions.
just before the first
Hey.
round.
O'Neill, Lene,
I don't think.
It says be lenient as far as waiting to be recognized. Give warnings but accept the answer.
What?
Just because it's out.
Yeah.
So just
Make sure to say I need an answer at the end of the bonus if it buzzes.
yeah. Last time we waited 3 seconds. Like
Say
if
I
they
need
were
an
to-
answer right away. You have to. No. They need to learn the actual format.
So if they're not
You
recognized,
don't need to worry.
but
You just
This
say
is
four,
us. Go, go.
and we'll tell you.
so there's no rules.
Make
for
sure, I need to make sure.
Hey, them get a toss up bonus.
Mr. Pierce, you need help?
Should I just like write the number or like go 5, 15?
You're supposed, are we supposed to write the score on here too?
No, on here.
Just on there?
How should I do it?
And
Should I
then-
just like erase it? 4, 5, 10, 5, 15.
I would just,
Just
a
keep
lot of
going.
the times,
It's easier to just run it.
I just wait though until after they get, well, I wait till they get the bonus and toss-up are done, and then, so say they get the first bonus and toss-up, I wouldn't write 5, 15, I would just write 15, and then,
And then let's say they get the next toss up, you'd be ready to write, but you'd wait to see if they get the bonus and you just wait.
yeah.
Does that make sense?
I'm not doing that.
Are we okay to go to rooms?
Well,
or
don't
do you
write it so big and so far apart.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can write it.
bunch of erasing if you did this.
How are you guys doing? Guys, I got the steward team in my room. It's kind of fun.
We have their,
I was looking at it and I was like, hey guys, my team's gonna be better. And then he's like, do you even know my brother? I said, but my brother can be your brother.
we have their unending boards.
No, why do they have so many boards though?
I know, they don't just all connect. Like,
Yeah.
Ours is so much convenient.
Well, yeah, and then you don't.
Excuse me, ladies.
it is annoying to put away though.
There is two of
I mean, that's kind of good, so just put up those. You just get one month.
Counting only.
12.
Okay, so you're gonna overstimulate me. Because,
I'm not doing it.
yeah, you are. Allow 2 seconds for an answer, then tell them not to. How do you say that nicer? He says allow 2 seconds to answer, and then tell them that it took too long.
For what?
If they buzz and then you give them 2 seconds to answer.
Say,
Just be like,
I'm sorry. Well, you can say, time is up. We will repeat for the other team. And if they get that's what you do. If they take too long, if they buzz, and I'll say correct or incorrect, I will repeat for the other team. So like, in 2 situations.
I'm gonna cut through here because this is just like a tad bit faster with my.
don't knock them down.
You guys have the fun ones.
I hate these
in the
examples.
library-
Like I
So
can't
much.
visually see the. I like visually
In the
see
library,
the.
I accidentally bumped the cord and the whole thing fell down.
I was like Dominic.
Yeah, it was just like, I
I don't
didn't
know if you guys
touch
should
it.
say it, but he said to be lenient on warnings and stuff.
Yeah.
Like with our resolution.
Yeah, like, I just
All rounds
barely
or just
touched
for
it.
first
All
round?
rounds.
All rounds.
So just remind them if it's for like a real need, but they can still answer them.
Oh gosh.
So yeah, if they answer, I'll say correct, but remember you need to wait to be recognized.
Just do that.
But we'll still give them
Still give it to us.
Like, that is correct, we'll give you the points, but remember.
No, that's
You
too many
guys
words.
have fun.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing, Dylan. You don't have to know what you're doing. Don't keep the lids off.
I know, that was annoying.
You want to fix the other side too?
They were so awesome.
Well, these ones are even spaced
Well,
weird.
just put the 2 to the left more, and then that's good enough.
Well, you need to move the 3 over.
No, the 3's
Yeah, the 3 is fine.
it's close enough. Sorry. But they were just like because 6 was in the 5 spot.
Yeah, and they were just all like, no, they never seen it. What's
Or
going
remind
on?
them that their captain should be at number 3 too.
Yes.
That's better, I guess.
And remind them probably before like every round, or at least the first 3 to wait to be recognized.
Yeah, I'll remind them.
But I mean, if they don't, it's okay. Unless it like keeps happening, and then it's like, you know, if it like they get 2
Yeah.
times and you'll warn them each time, and then if it happens other time, or more.
Bathroom break at the end of round 4.
What about a snack break?
Are there 12 questions per round, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to chill out and just stand at the board or grab a chair and sit at the board.
Yeah, I got a chair.
Like, not that chair, like one of the blue chairs.
Or just, I don't know, you don't need a chair. You'll be
Or sit there until we can start.
No, if I don't have a chair, I'm gonna be.
You can't.
Which is why I grab a chair.
Well, in between rounds you can sit down. During the rounds you need to just stand up, but don't distract them.
Well, that's what's back here. When I was in Mrs. Corporal's class, she was always like, don't go back.
What's back there?
This is the hallway we'll be
Other
meeting in.
stuff.
So three of the 4 rooms
kids are there?
Well, also the scorekeeper
Yeah.
isn't as important.
What?
Also the scorekeeper isn't as important.
I mean, yeah, and some rooms don't have. Yeah, and then you'll have to get that door. And then.
Well, I can just do all those.
Yeah, I'll tell
No,
them.
Just have someone, just ask like, can one of you please hit the door?
I'll just be like number 6, please close the door.
Well, Haley can do that.
And number 6,
You
please
can get that door then.
Yeah, that,
Jalen, just trust us, okay? Please. Then stop questioning everything we're doing. No, Jalen, I'm not trying to make you
Trying
mission.
to have fun.
Yeah, and it's not, we're not trying to have, we're trying to have fun, but we're not trying to be crazy. What classroom is yours in? It's just, yeah. Gregory, and then 308, which is his classroom.
so you have to,
There's 8 teams. 3 of them are O'Neill teams.
How many teams are there?
3 of them are O'Neill, 2 of them are Westfold, and then no, 3 are Westfold, 3 O'Neill, 3 Westfold, and then Stewart and St. Joseph's.
watching? Or just
Is your captain in number 3?
I will do that, Casey.
Thanks. Okay, is your captain in number 3? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna start with a few warm-up questions just to practice and make sure everything is running smoothly. So just act like it's normal, but these questions will not be scored, okay? Hungry Bear, what is Winnie the Pooh's favorite food?
Eagles number 3.
Honey.
Correct. Plateaus. The Tibetan Plateau is mostly in what country? No answer? It is China. Oh, wait.
I was about to say China, so
Okay. Sorry.
I'm lying.
I didn't see the light. Okay. We are not used to this timer, so.
Neither are we.
Reset. It should
No,
be
it
okay.
isn't. Okay.
Okay.
I wasn't sure.
Ocean motion. Ocean water is in constant motion due mainly to currents, winds, and what else?
O'Neill 5.
Tides?
That is correct. Okay, we're gonna do one more warm-up question. Heavenly objects. What object in the solar system has a mass about 300,000 times that of Earth?
O'Neill 5.
The sun?
Correct.
It's not
You're
resetting.
gonna start with our toss-up questions.
Still not resetting.
You have to just take time with that one.
There you go.
Okay. You ready to teach one?
Yeah.
Okay. Patriotic people. He was a leading advocate of resistance to British rule before the American Revolution. He seconded the Declaration of Independence and was the American ambassador to Britain between 1785 and 1788. Name this second U.S. president.
O'Neill 1.
John Adams. That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Chief executives. A U.S. president may serve no more than how many 4-year terms?
Repeat.
A U.S. president may serve no more than how many 4-year terms?
2.
That is correct. Toss-up number 2. Miracles. To whom is Mark Twain referring when he said the following? She has been dumb, stone deaf, and stone blind ever since she was a year and a half old. Now at 16, O'Neill 2.
Oh, no.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Fictional creatures. What kind of animal is Dr. Doolittle's tutu?
Repeat.
What kind of animal is Dr. Doolittle's tutu?
Monkey.
Incorrect.
Oh my bad.
Okay. The correct answer was owl. Toss-up number 3. Poems. What are the last 3 words in a poem that conclude with these lines? That kissed the maiden all forlorn, that milks the cow with the crumpled horn, that tossed the dog that worried the cat, that chased the rat that ate the cheese, that lay in the house. That is time. The answer is that Jack built. gallon. Mental math. If a car travels 360 miles on 15 gallons of gasoline, how many miles can it travel on 1 gallon? St. Joseph's 1.
24 miles.
That is correct. Bonus for St. Joseph's. Numbers. Ordinal numbers are commonly used just before words that are what part of speech?
Repeat.
Ordinal numbers are commonly used just before words that are what part of speech?
Nouns.
That is correct. Toss-up number 5. Snake bite. Victims of viper bites will have how many puncture wounds? St. Joseph's 3.
2.
That is correct. Bonus for St. Joseph's. Mountain ranges. What mountain range passes through Virginia, Tennessee, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, and West Virginia?
Repeat.
What mountain range passes through Virginia, Tennessee, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, and West Virginia?
Need an answer?
Alpegee. That is incorrect. It's the Appalachians. Toss-up number 6. Numbers. What is Spanish for 12? Eagles number 1. Doce. That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Fire ecology. In what Latin American country are people clearing and burning hundreds of thousands of acres of rainforests every year?
Repeat.
In what Latin American country are people clearing and burning hundreds of thousands of acres of rainforests every year?
Brazil.
That is correct. It's Sorry about that. Toss-up number 7. Proper slang. Which phrase means I'll return soon and is often abbreviated to 3 letters in slang? St. Joseph's 2. Okay, that is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Proper slang. Which phrase means I'll O'Neill 3.
Be right back.
That is correct. Okay, bonus for O'Neill. Cubes. What is the shape of a cross section that cuts through one of the corners of a cube?
Repeat.
What is the shape of a cross section that cuts through one of the corners of a cube?
Vertex.
That is incorrect. It is a triangle. Okay. Toss-up number 8. State fossils. The state fossil of South Dakota is what herbivorous dinosaur with a large horn above either eye, a smaller horn on the nose? O'Neill 3.
Triceratops.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Volcanoes. More than half of the world's active volcanoes encircle the Pacific in a belt of volcanic activity called the what?
Repeat.
More than half of the world's active volcanoes encircle the Pacific in a belt of volcanic activity called the what? Need an answer?
The volcano belt.
It's the Ring of Fire.
Makes sense.
Toss-up number 9. Crossing borders. Which state would you be in if you crossed the Ohio River going south from Cincinnati? St. Joseph's 3?
Florida.
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Crossing borders. Which state would you be in if you crossed the Ohio River going south from Cincinnati? O'Neill 1, Kentucky? That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Numbers. What is the smallest number with 3 different digits?
Repeat.
What is the smallest number with 3 different digits? Need an answer?
1 or 2.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 10. Islands. Name the largest island through which the Arctic Circle passes. St. Joseph's 1.
Alaska.
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Islands. Name the largest island through which the Arctic Circle passes. O'Neill 4.
Iceland.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Greenland.
Because Greenland is Iceland. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. They got the toss-up. Okay. Toss-up question number 11. Expressions. What word completes this line written by Miguel Cervantes in the 17th century? Why do you lead me on a wild goose? O'Neill 4.
Chase.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Area. Paper and pencil. A rectangular garden has a length of 12 meters and a width of 8 meters. What is its area?
96 meters squared.
That is correct. Okay. Toss-up number 12. Native American history. The Eastern Woodlands tribes of North America used wampum as what? O'Neill 2.
Their currency.
That is correct. Okay. Bonus for O'Neill. Sequences. What is the 8th number in this sequence? 128, 64, 32.
Paper, pencil. Paper,
It's
pencil.
paper pencil.
Repeat.
Repeat it.
What
Start
is,
the timer over.
what is the 8th number in this sequence? 128, 64, 32. What is the 8th number in this sequence? 128, 64, and
16.
that is incorrect. The correct answer is 1. And that is the last question. The final score was 80 to 20. Good job. Good job.
And I know if you're comfortable, if you want to leave your coats like at the back of this room, come back here and send it to everyone.
We'll do that, thank you.
Because I can't guarantee it, but the only kids that are gonna be in here is playing.
Where's? Nice job, kids.
Thank you. Thank you. Nobody got it.
What's this for?
60. And no one got 60. Nobody got number 10. They're at 60 here. Yeah, nobody got it. So it's 60
Okay,
still.
well, good job. How was it?
First,
Couple of them.
we need to do better.
Yeah,
No,
I
it
think
is
you
80.
knew a couple of them,
Okay,
but just
and
needed a
that's
couple more
65.
seconds.
Those guys have had three tournaments this year, so they've had more experience.
Okay, that was not my list. I'm gonna do it.
Also having.
Normally he has paper pencil.
Yes, they probably have.
Yeah, so we had, okay, so 80,
Unless you have a
okay.
I hate this timer.
again? Yeah, let's do it.
You can use to go hog.
So this time trim
this is the next
And
sentence.
then
This,
the three captains,
Sets
who's
it
gonna
up.
be captain?
it does
Mark's
not
gonna be captain.
If you press it without.
Oh, yeah, do you say the bonus? Me and Matthew. Okay. And then, I'm gonna go watch the,
Okay. Who's gonna start first? So is it Eagles versus Whites?
so, let's see.
This is just. We have Stewart versus Jungle White.
Okay, so Trinley has to come in, so somebody has to sit out.
I have to.
You can come in, anyone from my, yeah. Again, that's an eighth grader, will you just tell them we're at 2:10? And I might grab cards just in case. Yep, that's the button, the red one. So who's sitting out this time?
Me. I am. I know.
Okay, well, so you're captain. Okay, I'm gonna sit here, I might go 2:10, eighth grade. Thank you, yes. So I'm just gonna let this, I'm gonna go watch the sixth graders in the library, so I'll be back. Hey, you guys won overtime.
Yeah. We hardly.
You're one.
Yeah, I didn't know what
Stewart must still be young.
I like when they miss a question because then you guys get
I didn't know what Susan
I'm trying to picture him back in my head.
I didn't know it was since
It's so much easier if we were in this room because there's
in your poem, I would have said the same thing, because I was thinking it was should have ran with a mouse, I would have never.
It would have been way better if we were in this room because we were back there for that one question. Like,
Okay, I'm gonna go watch this.
just go like.
Stewart. We're playing after Stewart. We're playing after Stewart. St. Joseph's. We're playing St. Joseph's. We play St. Joseph's. Okay, What? Look behind your teacher.
Wait, do we remember her name tag? Hopefully. Okay, so
Dominic
this
is
time,
out.
Dominic and Caleb. Let's put, Kennedy, do you wanna be captain? Or Tinley? One and two, yeah. Okay. Raise her up there, spot.
Is your captain number 3? Your captain is number 3?
Tinley, are you in for spot 3?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, yep.
Okay. Toss-up question number 1. Poetry. What type of poem typically begins with this kind of first line? There was an old man from Nairobi. White O'Neill number 1.
Concrete?
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Poetry. What type of poem typically begins with this kind of first line? There was an old man from Nairobi. That is time. The correct answer is limerick. Toss-up question number 2. Syllabication. What is the last disyllabic word in the Pledge of Allegiance? O'Neill number 3. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Syllabication. What is the last disyllabic word in the Pledge of Allegiance? Stuart number 3.
Liberty.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is justice. Toss-up question number 3. Cliches. What word is missing in these cliches? Off the blank, up the blank, writing on the blank, back against the blank. Stuart number 3.
Win.
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Cliches. What word is missing in these cliches? Off the blank, up the blank, writing on the blank, back against the blank. O'Neill 6.
Wall.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Illusions. Arnold was an unpromising child, but he grew up to become a successful and handsome man. This is reminiscent of what story by Hans Christian Andersen? Arnold was an unpromising child, but he grew up to become a successful and handsome man. This is reminiscent of what story? Fine, I need an answer.
No.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is The Ugly Duckling. Toss-up question number 4. Fictional females. What is the last name of the character indicated in this blurb? A blast of wind, a house rattling bang, and Mary arrives at number 17 Cherry Tree Lane, where, quicker than she can close her umbrella, she takes charge of the bank's children. Stuart 6.
Mary Poppins.
That is correct. Bonus for Stuart, paper and pencil. Number patterns. What are the next 3 numbers in this sequence? 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 10. I need an answer.
20 and 40.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 9, 18, and 17. Toss-up question number 5. Musical instruments. In which of the 2 main categories of wind instruments must the player's lips vibrate to cause the air with O'Neill White 2? That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Musical instruments. In which of the 2 main categories of wind instruments must the player's lips vibrate to cause the air within the instrument to vibrate? Stuart 6.
High and low
Bonus for Stuart. Paper and pencil. Squaring. What is 48 squared? We need an answer.
2,304.
That is correct. Okay, toss-up question number 6. Longitude. How many total degrees of longitude are there? O'Neill, 6. 10. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Longitude. How many total degrees of longitude are there? Stuart, 3. 12. That is incorrect. The correct answer is 360. Toss-up question number 7. Novels. In the novel Holes, Stanley Yetnats is given the choice of going to jail or to what camp? O'Neill, 5.
Camp Green Lake.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Crops. This is about the leaf of what plant? It made the Jamestown colony prosperous, but since it became the only crop raised, general prosperity depended almost entirely on the price of the leaf in London. This is about the leaf of what plant? It made the Jamestown colony prosperous, but since it became the only crop raised, general prosperity depended almost entirely on the price of the leaf in London. That is incorrect. The correct answer is tobacco. Toss-up question number 8. Sentences. What part of a sentence tells something about the subject? Stuart, 3.
Predicate.
That is correct. Bonus for Stuart. Tributaries. What is the principal tributary of the Mississippi River? Need an answer? Ocean? That is incorrect. The correct answer is Missouri River. Toss-up question number 9. Stories. This is from what tale by C.S. Lewis? The Queen asked, "What would you like to eat?" O'Neill, 6.
The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. National parks. Which U.S. national park is 282 feet below sea level? I need an answer. The Grand Canyon. That is incorrect. The correct answer is Death Valley. Toss-up question number 10. Fairy tales. One prick from what, and Sleeping Beauty took a long slumber? Stuart, 3.
Pinwheel.
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Fairy tales. One prick from what, and Sleeping Beauty took a long slumber? O'Neill, 1. That is incorrect. has its endpoints on the circle? Stuart 6.
Diameter.
That is correct. Bonus for Stuart. Paper and pencil. Wildlife percentages. 224 deer were counted on the Rimfire Ranch. 36 were bucks. To the nearest whole number, what percentage were does? I need an answer.
78.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 84. Toss-up question number 12. State nickname. Because 8 of these people have famously come from Virginia, it is nicknamed the mother of what? O'Neill 6.
Presidents.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Arguments. The arguments for and against an issue are called the pros and what?
Cons.
That is correct.
We're tied.
Okay. Whoever gets the toss up? Or are you going by points to see who wins? Is it by wins or losses to see who wins, or is it by points?
Just go ahead and do the next, because this is question 12, right?
Yeah, so
Okay,
if
so
you
do question 12, both the toss-up and the bonus.
Well, we just did test question
Oh,
12. We have to do
Okay,
an extra
so do an extra question, yep. So whoever wins that is the winner.
Okay, so just one question.
One more question, yep.
Okay. What Asian country has the greatest population?
China.
That is correct. But remember to wait to be recognized. Okay, so O'Neill White won that. Okay, I need your pencil.
Go back on this, go back on this hallway, and it's right in the corner. Right back here. If you want to, it's fine if you want to trade it.
No, we got that one.
I'll wait.
That was like.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Doing well, thanks.
Stuart face. Is that the one who made it?
Doctor.
Yeah, anytime you end with a tie, you just do something else for the next question. Okay. And even the next question, if they both get it wrong or nobody knows it, just go to your bonus question and use that.
Okay.
That's fine. You just need a toss up to make it win, make somebody win.
Who? Okay. Is your whole team here now? Okay, you have your captain in number 3.
Yep.
Is your captain in number 3? Thank you for getting the door.
You're welcome.
Okay. Toss-up question number 1. Sentences. What type of sentence is this statement by Lord Kelvin? Radio has no future. St. Joseph's 1.
Declarative sentence.
That is correct. Bonus for St. Joseph's. Integuments. Name the small place that protects the skin of many fish and reptiles. Name the small place that protects the skin of many fish and reptiles.
Scales.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 2. Perimeters. Mental math. What is the perimeter of a square whose sides are 7.5 inches? St. Joseph's 3.
28 inches.
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. You guys were talking, so you can't do that in toss-up questions. We're just gonna count that. We're just gonna count that as incorrect. Okay. Toss-up question number 3. Collections. What are these? Perseus, Northern Cross, Orion, Canis Major, Aquarius. Stuart 3.
Constellations.
That is correct. Bonus question for Stuart. Songs. How are these songs collectively described? I've been working on the railroad, Erie Canal, this land is your land.
Patriotic.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is folk songs. Toss-up question number 4.
I'm still.
Okay. Prepositions. How many prepositions are in this line? I first came upon Bobo one day when I was out walking on a country road. St. Joseph's 4? 4. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Prepositions. How many prepositions are in this line? I first came upon Bobo one day when I was out walking on a country road. Stuart 3? 2. That is correct. Bonus question for Stuart. Bad advertising. What word did the writer of this ad intend? Comfortable apartment. Short walk to the beach. Affordable germs.
Germs.
It is incorrect. The correct answer is terms.
What it should have said.
Toss-up question number 5. Hidden countries. The name of what country is hidden in this line? This painting is in the Prado Museum. St. Joseph's 4. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Hidden countries. The name of what country is hidden in this line? This painting is in the Prado Museum. That is time.
Oh, because the letters still on the.
Oh, okay. What were you gonna say? That is wrong. The correct answer is Spain. Where did we get it? Yeah, that's number 5, yeah. Toss-up number 6. Explorers. He was exploring the narrow strip of lands that joins North and South America when he came upon a great body of water which he named the South Sea. What had Balboa discovered? Stuart, number 3.
Pacific Ocean.
That is correct. Bonus question for Stuart. Physical science. What could travel around the Earth at the equator 7.5 times in a single second?
Light.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 7. Clouds. What is the name for a cloud at ground level? Stewart 3. Fog. That is correct. Bonus for Stewart is paper and pencil. This is the question. Okay, it's not paper and pencil. Mr. Peterson made a mistake. Okay. Word squares. What is the fourth word in a word square if the first three are lane, area, and near?
Close.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is ears. Okay. Toss-up question number 8. Blood types. What is the only consonant used in naming the 4 common blood types? St. Joseph's 1. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other 2. Blood types. What is the only consonant used in naming the 4 common blood types? Stewart 3. B. That is correct. Yes. And then just got number 8. Okay. Grammar errors. Name the grammatical error in this line. I have not yet barely begun to fight. This is a bonus question.
Can you repeat it?
Name the grammatical error in this line. I have not yet barely begun to fight.
Is it barely and not?
That is incorrect. It's double negative.
Oh.
Toss-up question number 9. In which sport would you perform a triple axel? St. Joseph's 3.
Figure skating.
That is correct. Bonus for St. Joseph's, paper and pencil. Lowest terms. Reduce the fraction 30 over 72 to lowest terms.
Repeat.
Reduce the fraction 30 over 72 to lowest terms. And
5/12.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 10. Toss-up question number 10. Conjunctions. What is the conjunction in this example? Your body was painted while you slept. Stewart 3.
Was.
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other 2. Conjunctions. What is the conjunction in this example? Your body was painted while you slept. St. Joseph's 4.
Wow.
That is correct. Bonus for St. Joseph's. Punctuation. What punctuation mark should separate responsibilities and take in this example? These are your responsibilities. Take out the trash and mow the lawn.
Repeat.
What punctuation mark should separate responsibilities and take in this example? These are your responsibilities. Take out the trash and mow the lawn.
Semicolon.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is colon. Toss-up question number 11. European real estate. What Western European country has vastly increased in size thanks to the construction of dikes? real estate. What Western European country has vastly increased in size thanks to the construction of dikes? Stuart, 5.
Is it Russia?
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Netherlands. Do not talk during toss-up questions, even if you, when you're answering. Okay. Toss-up question number 12. Ranching. Name the long-handled metal rod with a distinctive design at one end, which is heated and used for marking livestock. St. Joseph's 1.
Branding iron.
That is correct. Bonus for St. Joseph's. Shots fired. The first shots of the American Revolution were fired in the early hours of April 19th in 1775, about 10 miles northwest of Boston in what town? The first shots of the American Revolution were fired in the early hours of April 19th in 1775, about 10 miles northwest of Boston in what town?
Gettysburg.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Lexington.
What do you have?
I have 35 to 30.
Number 8. They got the toss-up or not the bonus? It was Stewart, yeah. Okay, we have 35 to 40 on both of our scores.
Okay.
So who has 40?
It's supposed to, you guys have 40 up there, but it's supposed to, that's.
I have this. What did you?
I've been
Or you
counting
keep it
40 as I've been going.
I thought we were ahead by 5, but I don't know. I'll let them.
Okay, so that should be the final score.
What did you have, Rachel?
I had you guys is 30.
As 30 instead of 40?
It's 30. I had you only got one bonus, right?
Yeah, they got 2 bonuses.
2 bonuses, right?
Yeah, they got
Okay.
two.
Then that, that's okay.
Okay.
That would fix that then.
Good job.
Good job,
Okay.
guys.
Good job, guys.
All right.
Where do we go
next?
next?
206. Next one down that way where we separated.
40, from 43.
Yes.
So now we go to the library.
You guys.
Thanks, Rachel.
Yep, thank you.
See you. Thanks, guys.
We're on round 4, so it's Westholt Gold and O'Neill White. Right. Say Westholt and
They're just driving them somewhere, who knows? This is what I get when I tag along driver.
Reed, are you sitting out this way?
the last round. Your captain in number 3?
Oh, you're
So we don't have to find them.
That's right.
Round 4. Toss-up question number 1. State geography. What state borders South Carolina, Tennessee, Alabama, Florida, and the Atlantic? Westhold 6. That is correct. Bonus for Westhold. Africa. What country occupies the northeast corner of Africa?
Afghanistan?
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Egypt. Toss-up question number 2. Habitats. Noted for their distinct animal species, such as the giant land tortoise, the flightless cormorant, and the marine iguana, name these islands off South America's western coast. Westhold 6. That is correct. Bonus for Westhold. Moving water. A pipe or channel designed to transport water from a remote source, usually by gravity, is called an
Repeat.
A pipe or channel designed to transport water from a remote source, usually by gravity, is called an. That is time. I need an answer.
Canal?
That is incorrect. The correct answer is aqueduct. Toss-up question number 3. Name the marine invertebrate that draws in water through a system of pores located throughout its body. Westhold 1.
Feeder filter?
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Marine biology. Name the marine invertebrate that draws in water through a system of pores located throughout its body. That is time. The correct answer is sponge. Toss-up question number 4. Specific science. Those who study the world's largest bodies of water are in what scientific study? O'Neill 3.
Read biology?
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Specific science. Those who study the world's largest bodies of water are in what scientific study? Westhold 6. Can you repeat that? You need to stay louder. That is incorrect. It's oceanography. Toss-up question number 5. Healed wounds. A permanent mark left on the skin. O'Neill 6.
Scar.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Sports songs. These lyrics are from a song about what sport? Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks.
Baseball?
That is correct. Toss-up question number 6. Exploration. What small country out of the southwestern corner of Europe was one of the first to become seriously interested in exploration? Westholt 1. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Exploration. What small country at the southwestern corner of Europe was one of the first to become seriously interested in exploration? O'Neill 1. That is incorrect. The correct answer is Portugal. 7. Mental math. Fractions. 72 is 1/2 of what number? Westholt 1.
144.
That is correct. Bonus for Westholt. Early travelers. The Polynesian people traveled and were the original settlers of places such as Hawaii. Polynesia itself is made up of over 1,000 of what landforms in Oceania?
Islands.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 8. Neurosis. A pyrophobic has a morbid fear of.
Fire.
That is correct. Remember to wait to be recognized. Bonus for Westholt. Woolly creatures. Alpacas are mostly raised on the humid plateaus of what mountain range?
Andes.
That is correct. Okay. Toss-up question number 9. Bike companies. Wilbur and Orville Wright formed a company in what state to sell bicycles? Westholt 1.
North Carolina.
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Bike companies. Wilbur and Orville Wright formed a company in what state to sell bicycles? We're going to say that's time. Have time. The correct answer is Ohio. Okay. Toss-up question number 10. Structures. These are all types of what structures? Hurdle, electric, palisade, picket, split rail, snow, chain link, barbed. Westholt 3.
Fence.
That is correct. Bonus for Westholt. Traditional attire. Name the hooded fur jackets of Eskimos.
Repeat.
Name the hooded fur jackets of Eskimos.
No answer.
The correct answer is parkas. Toss-up question number 11. Brief narratives. What Greek wrote the original story that inspired this limerick? The peacock considered it wrong that he had not the nightingale's song. So to Juno he went. She replied, "Be content with thy having and hold thy fool's tongue." Westholt 1. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Brief narratives. What Greek wrote the original story that inspired this limerick? The peacock considered it wrong that he had not the nightingale's song. So to Juno he went. She replied, "Be content with thy having and hold thy fool's tongue." That is time. The correct answer is Aesop. Toss-up question number 12. Percent. Mental math. If 7 is 10% of a number, what is 90% of that number? Westholt 1. 63. That is correct. Bonus for Westholt, it's paper and pencil. bike mileage. If you pedal your bike 80 miles in 3 days, how many miles will you ride in 15 days? That is correct. The final score is 60 to 50. Drop to both of you.
Also, there's a bathroom.
I'm going out with the lava because I only respond.
Yeah.
I had to do it sometime. We
Yep.
have three
So it's
students.
just a girl, yeah, so
Did
you have to-
you guys win this one? I knew it. That's a question. Of course, I was sitting down for the I knew it.
How are you guys doing?
What do you guys do?
We're 2 and 2.
We had the last round and then
So,
the last round and it was 20 to 30 and then they answered the bonus and the
How are you guys doing?
4. I said ow, not mine.
Now, are you guys going against?
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure fifth grade found where they are going. and then- Just please.
We've had you guys so much. Twice. Yeah, this is. Oh, it's really They were so nice. Okay, maybe not. We had 1 here, 1, 2, 6, 1, 11.
Well, guys, we meet today.
I think we're.
I feel
bad
for
going up
We're 2 and 2 and they're
It's okay.
I think we're not gonna win. But
It's okay, do your best. That's all you can do.
you beat us last time.
What do you mean
That's all we can do.
yeah, we did.
Going down to school and then yeah. No, we changed the teams though.
I have to angle the paper so all this is.
Waiting for
See the.
I hate how he did the packets though, because some of them are like this, and some of them are like this.
Or some are really short and others are like paragraphs.
No, it's like, so he has question here, and then he has answer here, and some it's topic, question, answer, and it's just like, I'm like, what did he do?
And then sometimes when the answers on the backside, they're like part of the question.
I'm just like, can you structure all of them the same?
Yeah, when you get a repeat and you have to flip the page to read.
I'm like,
You're like.
where did it go?
And then you sit on that page and then you're like, where did the question I go? Oh, wait, number 4 or 5. Hi, Laura.
Hi. I'm sorry we're doing it without you. It's not my fault, it's Mr. Peterson's fault.
You should be a scorekeeper forever.
Hi, Ann. Where did my sister go?
We're still waiting for your whole team's up there. I think you 6 should go.
Yeah.
We're waiting for our team to show up. Well, I want to chill.
We're missing one person.
Yeah, I want to okay, now we can go. Come on.
Please go
I know, I'm always on 5. Can I bring this chair up? He's done 5. Go, Bryce. Huh? We need you. I'm 4.
Are your teams all here?
Yes.
Do you have everyone? Yeah. Okay, so you guys have everyone?
It's gonna sit on this chair.
Mr. Dean, shut it all the way.
Yep, yep. This is your teams?
Yes.
This is O'Neill against
O'Neill versus O'Neill. Yeah, we got 3 teams here today, so good luck, everybody.
Okay. Okay. Is your captain in number 3?
Yes.
And your captain is in 6. Okay. So I'm gonna call you blue, and I'm gonna call you guys eagles, if you can remember that. died with what in his hand? Blue 1.
The axe?
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Folk songs. According to the song lyrics, John Henry was a hard-working man who died with what in his hand?
My book is not working.
Okay. You can press again, see if it's working. Okay. Eagles 4.
Hammer.
That is correct.
No, it wasn't
Bonus
there.
for the Eagles. Sensation. What sense is subject to auditory hallucinations?
Repeat it.
What sense is subject to auditory hallucinations?
Yeah, okay. Sound?
That's incorrect. It would be hearing. Toss-up question number 2. Maps. What kind of map represents relief by means of contour lines? Oh, no, 3. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other time. T. Maps. What kind of map represents relief by means of contour lines? That is time. The correct answer is topographic map. Toss-up question number 3. Name the day. What day is 10 days after Friday? Eagles 1.
Monday.
That is correct. Bonus for the Eagles, it's paper and pencil. Cake fractions. Jabba the Hutt consumed 4/7 of a gigantic pizza in one sitting, and Mr. Creosote ate half of what was left. In fractional form, how much of the pizza remains?
No, I didn't hear the first one. Repeat.
Jabba the Hutt consumed 4/7 of a gigantic pizza in one sitting, and Mr. Creosote ate half of what was left. In fractional form, how much of the pizza remains? I need an answer.
2/7.
That is incorrect. It would be 3/14.
Okay.
If I had time, I'd explain it.
I still wouldn't understand.
Toss-up question number 4. What taxonomy? What kind of pet is a Felis domesticus? Blue 3.
Cat.
That is correct. Bonus for the blue team. Integers. The product of 2 odd integers is what kind of integer?
Even.
That is incorrect. It would be odd.
It depends on
Product is multiplication.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Also, I did the same thing when I was reading, so it's okay. Okay, toss-up question number 5. Agriculture. What is the collective name for any substance such as compost, manure, or chemical compounds that are Eagles 2? That is correct. Bonus for the Eagles. Beverages. Coffee became more popular than tea in the American colonies only after what event in 1773 made it a patriotic duty not to drink English tea?
Repeat.
Coffee became more popular than tea in the American colonies only after what event in 1773 made it a patriotic duty not to drink English tea?
The Boston Tea Party.
That is correct. Okay, toss-up question number 6. Ratios. Mental math. for every 9 guests, how many sandwiches are needed for 63 guests? Eagles 1, 49. That is correct. Bonus for the Eagles. Meteorological phenomena. What phenomenon similar to a rainbow is produced by light reflected from Earth's natural satellite? What phenomenon similar to a rainbow is produced by light reflected from Earth's natural satellite?
I don't.
Reflection? That is incorrect. The correct answer is moonbow. Toss-up question number 7. Vocal music. What is the lowest male singing voice? Eagles 4.
Alto?
That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Vocal music. What is the lowest male singing voice? That is time. The correct answer is bass. Just a reminder to you guys too, do not talk after you get it wrong. Just let me read it for the other team, please. Toss-up question number 8. Cycles. The hydrologic cycle involves the transport of water between the land, the sea, and what else? Blue 1.
The sky?
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill Blue. Paper and pencil. How many ounces are there in 2 gallons? That is incorrect. The correct answer is 256. Toss-up question number 9. Emblems. The national emblem of Canada is the leaf of what tree? Eagles 3. Maple. That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill Eagles. Paper and pencil. Divisors. What are all the divisors of 50? I need an answer.
1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 10. Garden veggies. These are varieties of what vegetable? Spaghetti, yellow, acorn, zucchini. Eagles 4.
Squash?
That is correct. Bonus for the Eagles. Illusions. Correctly restate this goofy attempted use of an illusion. Don't kill the golden goose that lays the eggs.
Repeat.
Correctly restate this goofy attempted use of an illusion. Don't kill the golden goose that lays the eggs. I need an answer.
Don't kill the goose that lays the golden eggs.
That is correct. Okay, toss-up question number 11. Proportions, mental math. 8 is to 4 as x is to 100. What is x? Eagles number 2. That is correct. Bonus for the Eagles, it's paper and pencil. Percent. 60 is 20% of what number? 60 is 20% of what number?
300?
That is correct. Toss-up question number 12. Blood vessels. vessels are so small that red blood, blue 3. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Blood vessels. What blood vessels are so small that red blood cells must pass through them single file? Eagles 1. Arteries. That is incorrect. The correct answer is capillary. Capillary? One of them. I tried. The final score is 75 to 10.
It's like,
Oh, 203 is that one. My bad.
isn't this 203?
This is 203.
This is 203.
This is 203.
Is anybody missing a pencil?
Is O'Neal White meant to go in here?
O'Neal White.
For round 6?
Round 6?
Yeah, no. Wait.
6 is where they're going for next
No.
round.
No, O'Neal
Six.
equals 203.
O'Neal White is here.
Yeah, and you're supposed to tomorrow.
Yeah.
We just finished. Yeah, we just finished.
Did you just finish?
Yeah, we just finished round
Okay, well,
1.
O'Neal Eagles left theirs, or O'Neal White left theirs is mine, so. So we did that.
We're in 308. I like mixed up. Okay, we have West Holt Blue versus O'Neal White. I should have like circled all of these. Go to 308. Yeah, go to 308. You should have put all of the rooms in the same spot.
Anna going in there, I can verify 7.
We have O'Neal White. I don't know. He did weird things on those.
How many rounds are left, girls? 2?
2.
Okay, I guess I'm just sitting here, I guess I need to move to see where, unless my 5th graders are coming.
Do you guys know
Do you have
when
the schedule?
Yes.
Who's
we
in
have
here?
West Holt Blue and O'Neal White.
Okay.
Oh, that's a 5th grade, okay.
Yeah, I
So
haven't seen that.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I'll have to
I
follow
was
sixth
gonna say,
graders.
if you wanna follow 6th grade.
Yeah, I just think so.
Yeah.
Do you know where the 6th graders just went? What team were just?
Eagles, where did the Eagles go?
Where
The
did
Eagles
go?
are at 206.
Oh, just down the hall.
It's up the hall.
I was.
Is that Mrs. Gordon?
Yes.
You're sitting on this, okay. Okay, one more after this, and then they'll, like,
Yours is fine. Yeah, because you guys left it. Don't forget something. I'm teasing. Yeah. Okay, can you go shut the door, please? We had O'Neal Blue and O'Neal Eagles. Yeah, Eagles. They're talking about the games now. Yeah. No, we're O'Neal. It's O'Neal White, yeah. Not O'Neal Blue. Yeah, the O'Neals are confusing us, sorry, we have to fix something on this score sheet. Okay, fix it on your score sheet and then go to yours. Okay, ready now? Okay, round 6, toss-up question number 1. The Constitution. What ordinal number is missing from this passage in the Constitution? The House of Representatives shall be composed of members chosen every blank year by the people of the several states. What, O'Neal 5. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. The Constitution. What ordinal number is missing from this passage in the Constitution? The House of Representatives shall be composed of members chosen every blank year by the Westholt 4. 2. We're gonna count that as correct, but it is second because it's ordinal number. Ordinal numbers are first, second. So it is every 2 years, but in a normal meet they would not accept that because it asks for second. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we literally learned that last year in Toy School, so you get to know earlier. Bonus question for West Holt. Strange relationships. How many nouns are in this line by a nervous college basketball player? My sister is expecting a baby, and I don't know if I'm going to be an uncle or an aunt. This is a bonus for them. Repeat. How many nouns are in this line by a nervous college basketball player? My sister's expecting a baby, and I don't know if I'm going to be an uncle or an aunt. That is incorrect. The correct answer is 4. Toss-up question number 2. The environment. The general procedure for using waste materials to make new products is called O'Neill 6.
Recycling.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill, paper and pencil. Quadrilateral areas. If the length of a rectangle is 3 times its width, and its width is 5 centimeters, what is its area? If the length of a rectangle is 3 times its width, and its width is 5 centimeters, what is its area? I need an answer. Are you counting? That is correct. Toss-up question. Toss-up question number 3. Lots of socks. Brad has lots of black socks and green socks under his bed. What is the minimum number of socks he must grab in the dark to be sure he has a pair of either black or green socks? O'Neill 1. 2. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Lots of socks. Brad has lots of black socks and green socks under his bed. What is the minimum number of socks he must grab in the dark to be sure he has a pair of either Westholt 6? 4. That's incorrect. The correct answer is 3. Toss-up question number 4. Planets. In terms of size, mass, and density, what planet is most similar to Earth? O'Neill 2. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Planets. In terms of size, mass, and density, what planet is most similar to Earth? Westholt 4. That is incorrect. The correct answer is Venus. Guys, make sure you're not talking too much in between the questions, please. Okay, toss-up question number 5. What is caravans? What is the phrase for the caravans of covered wagons in the Old West? Westholt 4. That is incorrect. I will repeat the answer for the other team, or the question for the other team. Caravans. What is the phrase for the caravans of covered wagons in the Old West? O'Neill 6. Wagon trains. That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill White. Steam Steamshipping. If you pilot your steamship from the Panama Canal to the capital of the Dominican Republic, you cross what sea? That is incorrect. The correct answer is the Caribbean Sea. Toss-up question number 6. Plurals. The plural form of which noun in this line is not identical to its singular form? An offspring of a moose doesn't look. West Hope 4. Moose. That is incorrect. I will repeat the question for the other team. Plurals. The plural form of which noun in this line is not identical to its singular form? An offspring of a moose doesn't look anything like a cod, shrimp, swine, bison, or snake. O'Neill 6? Snake. That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill White. Proficiency. In the martial arts, a white belt indicates novice status, and a brown belt an advanced rank. What color usually indicates expert proficiency? That is correct. Toss-up question number 7. Color. Blue and green and red are chromatic colors. What is an achromatic color? O'Neill 3. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Color. Blue and green and red are chromatic colors. What is an achromatic color? West Holt 4.
Light red.
Is incorrect. It is black, gray, or white would have been acceptable answers. Toss-up question number 8. Measurement. Square meters is to area as cubic meters is to what? West Holt 6. That is correct. Bonus question for West Holt. The Earth. Any great circle around the Earth divides it into 2 equal halves called what?
Hemispheres.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 9. Treason. What is the term for a person who commits treason? O'Neill 6.
Defying his or her country.
That is incorrect. Treason. What is the term for a person who commits treason? West Holt 4.
Betrayal.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is traitor. Toss-up question number 10. Fast flight. The sound associated with supersonic flight is called a sonic what? O'Neill 2. That is correct. Okay. Bonus question for O'Neill White, paper and pencil. Shopping for flowers. Beulah bought 7 bouquets for $9.95 each, and the total sales tax was $13.07, leaving her with $17.28. How much did she have upon entering the store? Beulah bought 7 bouquets for $9.95 each, and the total sales tax was $13.07, leaving her with $17.28. How much did she have upon entering the store? I need an answer. I need an answer. 34. That is incorrect. It is $100. Toss-up question number 11. How does it sound? What is the most often used form of onomatopoeia regarding a train? Westholt 4. That is correct. Bonus for Westholt Blue. It is mental math. Percent conversion. Convert 130% to an improper fraction reduced to lowest terms. I need an answer. 13. That is incorrect. It is 13/10. Toss-up question number 12. Cliches. What word completes both these cliches? He went off with his tail between his blank. Westholt 4. That is correct. Bonus question for Westholt. Lines of longitude. A longitude of 30 degrees west runs through what ocean? That is correct. We're tied again. Okay. In the event of a tie, I will read one question, and the first team to get that correct is the winner. Okay. The helium in the sun is produced by the fusion of what element? Westholt 1. Gas. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. The helium in the sun is produced by the fusion of what element? O'Neill 6. Nitrogen. That is incorrect. Okay, we're going to do another question. No, that was the game. Okay. An easy cure and preventative action for what kind of sickness is to look out the window of a moving vehicle? Westholt 1. Car sickness. That is correct.
Don't do that to 2 other teams.
We won. I was gonna say, let's go. I was gonna say, good job. But then I was like,
Okay.
How many is the burning cell? How many is the burning cell?
what was the answer to the helium one?
Oh, I forgot to say that, didn't I? It was hydrogen.
I said nitrogen.
One more. And then
Oh, I see that. Oh, so we might get more. Where's our this one? Where's our next round?
I'll find it. You guys have to go. Okay, so first I'd just like to say something. I don't know if it was one of you guys, but there was somebody knocking a lot on our door last time and pulling on the door. So if there's ever a quiz bowl round, don't ever do that at a quiz bowl. I don't think it was you guys, but there was somebody doing that. If it was you guys, just don't do that. Please. Okay, we're at round 7, Stewart versus O'Neill Eagles. Toss-up question number 1. Name the president. Who served as president during the Civil War and issued the Emancipation Eagles 1. That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Preparing for emergencies. What type of small boat is needed on a larger boat in case of emergency? What type of small boat is needed on a larger boat in case of emergency?
Lifeboat.
That is correct.
Yes.
And if, like, that's why we clarify who the captain is, so if you okay. Yeah. Toss-up question number 2. Historical vocabulary. What is the collective term for the customs, social institutions, arts, and achievements of a nation or people? O'Neill 1. That is incorrect. I will repeat for the other team. Historical vocabulary. What is the collective term for the customs, social institutions, arts, and achievements of a nation or people?
Then go ahead and hit start. There you go.
Stuart 3.
Accomplishments.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is culture. Toss-up question number 3. Cities. These are among the largest cities on what continents? Kinshasa, Addis Ababa, Casablanca, Abuja, Abidjan, Alexandria. O'Neill 4.
Africa.
That is correct. Bonus question for O'Neill. Paper and pencil. Integer addition. 128 is the sum of what two consecutive odd integers?
It's gotta be a 4. No, it has to be
128 is the sum of what two consecutive odd integers?
63 and 65.
65.
63 and 65.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 4. Orchestra leaders. A conductor uses what short white stick to direct an O'Neill 2? That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill, paper and pencil. Speed problems. Rounded to the nearest mile per hour, a truck went 290 miles in 4 hours 30 minutes. What was its average speed in miles per hour?
Repeat.
Rounded to the nearest mile per hour, a truck went 290 miles in 4 hours 30 minutes. What was its average speed in miles per hour?
116.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 64. Toss-up question number 5. Vocations. These are imaginative definitions for what vocation? One who looks at Niagara Falls and says with a little time he could fix it. A man who gets paid for sleeping under sinks. An adventurer who traces leaky pipes to their source. Stuart 4. That is correct. Bonus for Stuart. Government. Name the 2 levels of government above the local level.
State and federal.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 6. Art forms. What term refers to the art of shaping and firing clay? O'Neill 2. Pottery. That is incorrect. I will repeat the question for the other team. Art forms. What term refers to the art of shaping and firing clay? Stuart 3.
Modeling.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is ceramics. Problem solving. What method is involved when you attempt to find a solution by trying one approach after another until one happens to work? O'Neill 3.
Trial and error.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Capitulation. To whom did the British General Charles Cornwallis surrender in 1781?
Repeat.
To whom did the British General Charles Cornwallis surrender in 1781?
Washington, I guess. General Washington.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 8. Nickname. Which country is known as the land down under? O'Neill 3.
Australia.
That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Injuries. Gene got hit in the head with an errant golf ball, and now he is seeing stars, feeling even goofier than usual, and is dazed. These are symptoms of what kind of brain injury?
A concussion.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 9. Roots. Name the most common edible orange-colored taproot. O'Neill 5.
Carrot.
That is correct.
That's supposed to be.
Yeah, we got the bonus, so wouldn't that be 65?
Yeah.
So 60?
Yeah.
No, you're at 65. Well, no,
We got the bonus.
Oh, 55.
because they were at 50.
Yeah.
So now they're just.
So that's 70. Okay. Bonus for O'Neill. Zoology. What marine animals often accompanied by remora have the ability to replace their teeth?
Repeat.
What marine animals often accompanied by remora have the ability to replace their teeth?
A shark.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 10. Lightning. What continent has the least lightning? O'Neill 4. Europe. That is incorrect. I will repeat the question for the other team. Lightning. What continent has the least lightning? Stewart 2.
Australia.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Antarctica. Okay. Toss-up question number 11. Pictures. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, how many words are 1,000 pictures worth? Stewart 6.
10,000 words.
That is incorrect. I will repeat the question for the other team. Pictures. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, how many words are 1,000 pictures worth? O'Neill 1. That is correct. Bonus for O'Neill. Headwaters. What state is the birthplace of the Yampa, Gunnison, Dolores, San Juan, Arkansas, South Platte, North Platte, and Rio Grande rivers?
Repeat.
What state is the birthplace of the Yampa, Gunnison, Dolores, San Juan, Arkansas, South Platte, North Platte, and Rio Grande rivers?
Arizona.
Is incorrect. The correct answer is Colorado.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Okay. Toss-up question number 12. Play the buzzer, Celia. Toss-up question number 12. Animal foods. The only food of koalas consists of leaves from what tree? O'Neill 4.
Sycamore.
That is incorrect. I repeat the question for the other team. Animal foods. The only food of koalas consists of leaves from what tree? Stewart, number 5. Oak. That is incorrect. The correct answer is eucalyptus. Okay. The final score is 85 to 15. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Good job. That's the type of tree? I didn't know they
Perfect eucalyptus.
Go through every one of them and see if you can correct it. And then I've got like O'Neill Eagles in round 5, it says 75 and they lost. You guys lose.
No, we haven't lost.
We haven't lost.
I figured that's the case, but.
In what round?
Okay, so round 4 St. Joseph's, round 4 St. Joseph's and round 3 Stewart are empty.
We didn't have them.
Round
Wait,
four-
no, we did. Round 4 or round 3?
One of those, round 4 St. Joseph's,
We didn't have that one.
round 3 Stewart.
We had that one.
There is no, and it's possible that,
We might have put in someone else's.
what is the score?
35.
So you put it, so you put it on the wrong, was it 35 and 11?
I don't even know if it's possible.
In round 3?
Yes.
Okay, because it says round 3, St. Joseph's has 10 points.
So somebody might have put them in our spots. And
With every single question.
Can you,
because we,
Everything.
wait, no.
We all took
I don't know, just
you
run
go,
it.
you go through and you put in, you make sure that every one of your lines, you go in and put what your
Okay,
papers.
and then should we each get a question? No, that's funny. I'm just gonna get this.
I know, it is, it would have to be a privilege to see, because,
Round 2, O'Neill White had
I like
35
sitting in it.
and a win.
I've sat in it before.
Jared had 30 and a loss.
Bye, Kayla.
Please don't stand on it.
What I'd like to see is like all of you.
There's 2.
You guys are rock stars. You're all in.
Every time I see you guys,
Round
it's
3,
something
St.
different.
Joseph's had 40 and a win.
Wait, what? I got
I forget which one it was that you guys answered.
I thought it was like smoking.
It might have been, social studies.
Oh, that Kennedy,
Yeah,
Caleb.
the one with the sun. Yeah.
Okay.
The biggest thing in the.
No,
Okay.
the element that,
And then they're gonna do it with
combined with hydrogen or not.
Oh, we haven't had it. We didn't even have that. I don't think we had that. Yeah, that was. I think it was
The answer the last
one.
and so
And O'Neill Eagles had 75.
You know what you guys can do, you can start taking this apart and packing it up,
Got it right.
because they won't need it.
Time is it? I'll just tell them to get a watch. But it's 2:30.
West Holt had 45 and a win.
I think it was around 6.
Thingy, yeah.
Wait, no. Round 7 had O'Neill Eagles 85 and a win.
Really? What?
Yeah, we're at 15 and a loss.
The fact that we just did that, you just say why, you just say. Are they gonna go for like the standings? Let's go. Hey, I'm on grab that.
I think you're trying to.
Where are they? Oh, they're over there.
Put it as a loss.
Oh,
So maybe this is the library.
Yeah, I better not put it in here.
yeah, me too. Because it's red.
Principal.
Bro, what are you doing?
I have to go outside.
I think we're gonna go to the library, we're gonna go to the library for him to, they'll probably, like, get all the results.
Yeah.
My head hurts.
I know where libraries is, you'll be here next year.
So it's Henry Halo.
Mr. Peterson's very, very terribly organized question.
Where's the other?
Right there.
Yes, yep, that's it. Thank
This
you.
one's full.
What was it? Bruh. Oh, it's the other one.
Grab that, and it's gonna be over here. They all go in there.
Oh. But I think the
There is no other one.
the cords
that is
were on
it.
top. The cords were on top of the answers. After.
not hating on our teachers. We don't hear anything.
I don't wanna have to take your test.
I'd rather take you to study all than wait till tomorrow.
I need to study more.
Yeah, he hasn't even told us what to study. Stop, Jim.
He did.
Hardly. It's gonna be like 70 questions probably. And he's gonna throw stuff in we haven't talked about.
Probably.
I want to text them. I probably should. My head hurts and I'm exhausted. Who knew reading to elementary school kids would be so draining?
That's
Some of them like they would just keep talking and I was like, cannot talk. Like stop talking. The other teacher trying to hear me. It's fine. They're also not like today. It's also elementary school.
Yeah, they're coming back.
They're coming back for
They
everything.
left early. Should we go see this sports, No.
I just want to go and be
When
done.
they're gonna have to do,
Popcorn bar and study hall. Oh yeah, popcorn bar.
just like,
Yeah, when are we supposed to take it? Oh my goodness. I bet they're doing nothing in class tomorrow.
I know, and like, I feel like we're not gonna do anything in class, so.
Oh, if he said, oh, you can all have a group test now, I'm gonna be like, no, I'm not giving everyone my answers. I'm sick and tired of that. And then I'll like clean up so I don't do it. I'm just gonna go to the library. See if we can.
Well, we probably have to escape from study hall and
Yeah.
where's my lunchbox box?
You should grab your water,